In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use version history by uploading in Google Drive. Now, this process is a fantastic way to refresh the modified or uploaded date for a particular file, which can be really useful if you're aiming to hide older versions but want it to appear that there's been a recent update. Let's dive straight into it. Imagine you've just made some changes to an existing document and you want to upload it back to Google Drive, but maybe you're not quite ready to share all those changes with other collaborators, or you want to keep the history a little tidier. This method is perfect for that. Start by navigating to Google Drive and find the file that you're looking to update. Right-click on that file. This action will open a context menu offering various options for managing your document. Here, you'll see several choices, but what you want to do is locate the option that says Manage Versions. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking Manage Versions will take you to a screen where you can see the different iterations of your file that have been uploaded over time. It's a handy feature that Google offers, allowing you to manage and view the history of changes. Your next step is to upload a new version of your file. This could either be the exact same document, perhaps with some minor tweaks, or for those who want the update to appear more seamless, you might slightly rename the original file. The purpose of this upload is to update the modified date without explicitly showing all the changes you made since your last version. To do this, simply select the Upload New Version option on the right side of the version history window. Once you select this option, a dialog box will appear prompting you to choose the file from your computer. Find the file you want to upload, whether it's the newly edited one or just the updated version you want to show, then click Open or choose to upload it. After you upload this new version, what happens is that Google Drive updates the modified or uploaded date of this particular document in its version history. It's a great trick to maintain a clean version list and still show that the file has been actively updated. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to keep your document history tidy while reflecting fresh updates in Google Drive with ease. Just remember, this process won't get rid of the old versions, it merely hides them from plain view, making version management a bit smoother on your end. Give it a try the next time you want your document to look fresh and newly updated without the fuss of sharing all the edits you've made. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tip makes your document management a little bit easier.